Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new iPad. I haven't done an iPad unboxing on my channel because the last time I bought an iPad was 2014. That was almost 6 years ago, and I don't think I was even uploading YouTube videos back then, so I never got a chance to do an unboxing or a what's on my iPad video, but that is going to change today. The last time I actually did a tech unboxing or something like this was back in, I think, 2017 when I bought this camera that I'm filming on, the Sony a5000. That is what I film my videos on, so I unboxed it back then. And I can link that video down below or right here if you want to check it out. Before I open it though, I want to give a final farewell to my iPad Air first generation. I got it June of 2014 and it has been my best friend since then. Honestly, I've done so many things. I took this so many places, so it's done me good. It still works. It's still fully functioning, so there is nothing wrong with it, honestly, but it was time to get an upgrade. I just bought this case a few months ago too because I thought it would give it a refresh and stuff, because I didn't know I was gonna get a new iPad anytime soon. So this is the iPad Air first generation, I think, when it first came out, and I think it only has 32 gig on it. So it's done me well. I've watched videos, I've done so many other things on here. I've written notes for classes. So yeah, I really love this, and I'm really sad that I have to put it away and not use it anymore. I just had to dedicate this new unboxing video to my old friend. You've done me good. Thank you so much. I hope this one lasts just as long, because yeah, that is pretty good lifespan. Thank you, old friend. I love you so much, but you're gonna get replaced. So let's unbox this new iPad, shall we? Here we have it in all its glory. So it has like a tab thing. I got my hot pink scissors. This is how I open all my packages. If you've been here since I've moved here to LA, I've always opened everything with these hot pink scissors. But it looks like, I think you just pull this tab. So I've always watched these and I find them so satisfying. So this is going to be my first time doing it. I feel like this deserves a countdown. So let's do it. 3, 2, 1. That was amazing. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, is that it? Do I pull some more? Oh, okay. That wasn't as satisfying as I thought it was. But I still have my old case in the Philippines since I bought my iPad there. It is in the Philippines. I didn't bring it with me, so I get one here. Yay. Yay. Here it is. It is the iPad Pro 11-inch, only Wi-Fi, and it's 64 gig. So mine was the iPad Air first generation, 32 gig Wi-Fi and cellular, because I had an unlimited data plan in the Philippines, and since I'm here, I don't use that service anymore, so I canceled it. So this is it right here. The box is so nice. It's been so long since I got a new Apple product. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. And I don't want to break it, because if you watch my latest weekly vlog, I cracked my iPhone X, iPhone 10, whatever. And I'm so sad about it. So let me try to get this open and being on camera without breaking it. Okay, got the lid off, so yay! Here it is. It's so pretty. Wow, it smells brand new. I get it now when they say when you open a new Apple product, it smells amazing. They are correct. So how do I do this? Oh, that's so nice. Okay. Okay, how do I... Not very good. This isn't very satisfying, is it? Sorry about that. There. So I got it in the space gray. They were out of silver, so I don't really see it anyways. So yeah, that is what it looks like. So pretty. I don't know, this is not even a review about it. There's probably other channels that do full reviews. This is just my reaction, and I do pretty good reactions sometimes. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I need to be so careful. I did buy a screen protector for it, but unfortunately I was dumb and accidentally forgot it in my dad's best friend's truck, and he just left, and he lives about an hour away. So I guess he has to drive back tomorrow and give it to me because I wasn't thinking. I was so excited about the iPad, I forgot about that. I'm also gonna get a case off Amazon. Mine is from Amazon and it is hot pink, my favorite color. So I'm probably gonna get this one for the time being before I get like the keyboard version. So yeah, this is it. I guess I can turn it on. How do you turn it on? Oh, up here. Ready? There it goes. Yay. Taking a while to load up. It says hello, hi. So it's on 81% battery. So lift it up. So I'm going to set it up. So while it does that, here are the accessories. So I don't know what this is, but there we go. And then we have the brick or whatever, and then the iPhone. So this isn't lightning, this is USB-C. So I got that, so I can charge it. And yeah, that is me unboxing my iPad. Let's set it up. So here it is, and then I can set up my new iPad. Continue. Ooh, this is exciting. Wants me to hold up the, okay. Oh, that's so cool. Because when I set this up, it was the first iPad I owned, so I didn't really need to do anything. That is so cool. That's such a cool difference. Keep this iPad, oh, they need to be near each other. That's so fun. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. So cool. Look at how pretty and sleek it is. Setting it up. Yay. Let me wait for it to restore and then we can play with it together. Okay, it's finally done. So let's go. Continue. This. Welcome to iPad. You can't see that there. Welcome to iPad. Let's go. There it is. It's so pretty. Oh, and it has all my apps and everything. It's so nice. Look at how big the screen is. So I guess I can show you what's on it once I get it organized. So I'll be back in a minute. So it's been about 20 minutes and I've had a little play with it. So I put my wallpaper that was on my old one. I've never used AirDrop before. Amazing. Life-changing, honestly. I was figuring out how I was gonna do it and it told me, do you want to transfer it to your new iPad via AirDrop? And I was like, yes please. So I set it up. So I guess I can screen record this and then show you a few of my apps. So I guess I can scoot over and block Mr. Ted's face and have the iPad screen. I'm just going to do a very quick one. It's not going to be in depth. I will be doing one maybe in a month or so after I play with it and see how everything I like. But this is just the initial what's on my iPad and what I re-downloaded right away and use a lot. So first we have the clock. I mirrored it to my old iPad so I get used to it. Oh, I have FaceTime. I didn't have FaceTime on my other one, so I might have to change that around. Then I have calendar, photos, camera, maps, notes, Wonderlist. I love this. It connects to all my devices, so that's how I make lists. I have video ideas, all kinds of things like that. My converter, because I'm still using it to convert over like Philippine money to US money. And then yeah, I just love my converter plus. Definitely recommend. I have the calculator, app store, settings, and those are like the standard that I like on my home screen. So next is all the apps that I use a lot. Sometimes I like folders, sometimes I don't. So since these you can put so much stuff, I just like having mine out and about. I don't really like folders. So I have Twitter, Facebook, Messenger, Google, Gmail, Instagram. I have my bank app, PayPal, YouTube, Netflix, Lightroom, Spotify. I need to get my Spotify back because it was connected to my Philippine phone and I disconnected that months ago. Then I have Pinterest because I've been doing a lot of pinning at the moment. My reward style and like to know it app. So I like having it color coordinated a little bit. And then I have Unfold, or UNUM, story looks for some stories. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it on the iPad or if I'm going to just leave it on my phone, who knows. Then on the bottom it's just standard. We have my messaging, mail, Safari, Apple Music, files. And then we have the first one right here, which is the Apple folder, I called it. And I love putting emojis on the ends too. So I have the Apple TV. I never use that one. I have the measure, shortcuts, photo booth, iTunes store, Apple store, reminders, and find my whatever, iPhone, iPad. I've used it a lot actually, and it's really handy. And then next one we have travel. So I just have Uber and the Move It bus app. So when I'm taking a bus around LA, I use it for times. So that's really handy. And then next we have my editing folder. I have InShot, Over, Canva, Pages, Snapseed, my Drive, and then Visco. And then yeah, that's pretty much on my iPad. I made this. It used to match my blog branding. It just has my name, Jackie Michelle, with a bow. That is currently a quick look at what's on my new iPad Pro. So here are my two iPads side by side. As I've been saying, this is my iPad Air first generation, and this is the iPad Pro. Here is the size differences. You can tell it's a little bit bigger. I just connected them. They're magnetic. Oh my goodness, I did not know that. Of course, it has the magnetic case. So those are my two iPads. For once, I can prove that for me, some Apple products actually work and last. So they don't just crap out every year or every time a new one comes out, because I've proven that it doesn't. So those are the two side by side. Not really a comparison or really a review, but that's just my opinion on both of them. That was my unboxing of the new iPad Pro. I'm so excited to play around with it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll link it down below, or the one I have. I'll also link what I'm wearing as well if you want to check that out. Also check out my fashion blog, fashionxfairytale.com. I've been putting new posts up there, and you can follow all my socials down below. I have Twitter, Instagram, all those. And I think that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, so please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!